Let's talk about SMART goals. This isn't just a catchy acronym, it's a powerful framework that lays the foundation for success. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These 5 elements are crucial for turning vague desires into concrete action plans. Specific, get crystal clear about what you want. Define your goal in precise terms so there's no room for misunderstanding. Measurable, define how you'll track your progress. Use metrics and milestones to gauge your advancement. Achievable, set realistic goals within your reach. Ensure that your objectives are attainable given your current resources and constraints. Relevant, choose goals that align with your values. Make sure your goals are meaningful and significant to you. Time-bound, establish a clear time frame for completion. Set deadlines to create a sense of urgency and keep you on track. By applying these criteria, you create a roadmap that is clear, focused, and actionable, setting yourself up for success every step of the way. Each element of SMART goals works together to transform your aspirations into reality. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Planning is the bridge that connects your dreams to your achievements. So let's ditch the ambiguity and embrace the power of SMART goals to bring those dreams to life. With SMART goals, you have a secret weapon that can turn your vision into a tangible reality.
Let me illustrate the power of SMART goals with a personal example. It's a story that transformed my life and can inspire you to take action. Like many of you, I've always dreamt of having my own place, a cozy haven filled with good vibes and positive energy, a space that truly felt like home. But it was just that, a dream, until I decided to make it a SMART goal. I realized that dreams remain dreams unless we take concrete steps to achieve them. My goal wasn't simply to get an apartment. It was more detailed and specific. It was to move into a charming 1-bedroom apartment in my favorite neighborhood within 6 months. See the difference? This specificity made all the difference. By being specific about the type of apartment, the location, and the time frame, I transformed a vague desire into a clear, actionable target. This clarity was crucial. This is the power of setting SMART goals. They provide direction and a clear path to follow. It's about transforming those wouldn't it be nice thoughts into concrete plans. Plans that you can work on step by step. So, what dream are you ready to bring to life? Take that dream, make it specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Watch how it transforms your life.
Let's dive deeper into the S of SMART specificity. Vague goals lead to vague results. The more specific you are about what you want, the easier it becomes to create a plan and take action. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," specify what that looks like. Do you want to cook more meals at home? Incorporate more greens into your diet? Exercise 3 times a week? The clearer you are, the better equipped you'll be to achieve your goals. Remember, clarity precedes success, so ditch the generalizations and embrace the power of specificity. Your dreams deserve a well-defined path. What's something people don't know about making goals achievable? Making it real, measurable milestones. Next up, measurable. How will you track your progress and know if you're on the right track? This is where setting measurable milestones comes in. For my dream apartment, I broke down the savings goal into smaller monthly targets. This made the overall amount seem less daunting and allowed me to celebrate small victories along the way. Whether it's tracking your savings, the number of workouts, or the pages you write for a book, measurable milestones turn your goal into a tangible journey, not just a distant destination. Achieving the possible, keeping it attainable. Now let's talk about achievability. It's crucial to set goals that are challenging yet realistic. Setting the bar too high can lead to frustration and discouragement, while setting it too low might not push you to grow. For example, aiming to run a marathon next month with no prior training wouldn't be attainable. Instead, start with a 5K, then gradually increase your distance. Remember, small, consistent steps lead to significant progress. Believe in yourself and your capabilities, but also be kind to yourself. Choose goals that stretch your comfort zone without feeling overwhelming or impossible. Relevance, aligning with your values. The R in SMART stands for relevant. Your goals should align with your values, passions, and overall life vision. When your goals are personally meaningful, you'll be more motivated and committed to achieving them.
Ask yourself, why is this goal important to me? How does it align with my values and aspirations? If you're passionate about something, the journey will be much more enjoyable and fulfilling.
Remember, your goals should reflect what truly matters to you. Don't chase someone else's definition of success. Define your own and pursue it with passion and purpose. The power of time setting deadlines. Finally, let's talk about time-bound. Setting a clear time frame for achieving your goals creates a sense of urgency and accountability. It's not enough to say, I want to write a book. When do you want to complete it? By setting deadlines, you're essentially making a commitment to yourself. It's like scheduling an important appointment in your calendar. You wouldn't just hope to show up, you'd mark it down and make it happen. Remember, time is a precious resource, so use it wisely. Set realistic but firm deadlines, and watch as your goals transform from distant dreams into present-day realities. Write it down, make it happen. There's something incredibly powerful about writing down your goals. It's like taking an abstract idea and giving it form, turning it from a fleeting thought into a tangible commitment. Whether you prefer a chic planner, a vision board filled with inspiring images, or a simple note on your phone, find a method that resonates with you and make it a habit to write down your goals.
When you write down your goals, you're not just documenting them, you're solidifying them in your subconscious mind. You're sending a powerful message to yourself and the universe. This is important to me, and I'm committed to making it happen.
Visualize your success. Believe it to achieve it. Our minds are incredibly powerful tools. What we focus on expands, and visualization is a powerful technique for harnessing that power and manifesting our desires. Close your eyes and imagine yourself having already achieved your goal. Feel the emotions, embrace the sensations, and truly embody the feeling of success. The more vividly you can visualize it, the more real it becomes in your mind, and the more likely you are to attract it into your life. Remember, seeing is believing. So visualize your dreams with unwavering faith and watch as the universe conspires to make them your reality. You've got this. Setting goals is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But remember, you are capable of amazing things. You are strong, resilient, and deserving of all the good things life has to offer. Celebrate your wins, big and small. Embrace the lessons learned from any setbacks. And most importantly, never ever give up on your dreams. Keep your vision clear, your actions consistent, and your spirit high. You are unstoppable.
Remember, you are a force to be reckoned with. Go out there and make your dreams a beautiful reality. You've got this.